How to unstake Solana on Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Over here, you just have to simply tap on Solana that you will see in the list. Now you will be able to see start earning Sol option banner over here that would be in the staking. So you can either tap on it or you can even tap on the stake option that would be the third option in the top. After tapping on any of the staking option, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you that you can stake your Solana token and you can earn reward. Over here, you just have to simply tap on the liquid staking option and tap on the got it option. After that, it will ask you to provide the staking option, but if you already have staked your Solana over here, then after tapping on the stake option, you will be able to see the list of all of the stakings that you have made with the provider. So you just have to select your staking and there you will have the unstake option. So you simply need to tap on the unstake option and confirm it in order to unstake your Solana on the Phantom wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.